Hello, it's Eugene here from Fortify-U, and today we are going to look at a beginner's calisthenics workout for your shoulders. If the beginner's level is too hard for you, then get in touch with me and we will go through some foundation programming with you to get you up to speed so you can actually do the beginner's program. Foundation level first, then beginners, level 1, level 2, level 3. Okay. If you have any comments, leave them in the section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also hit that notification button so you don't miss out on any future videos. And that is it. The description, the full description with all the sets and reps are in the description. Please like, share, follow and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button so you don't miss any future videos. Let me know what you think in the comments below and I will get back to you. If this was too hard for you, then please get in touch and I will set you up with some foundational programming. Until then, may the force be with you and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.